Words can't explain how this tastes. One glass of lemonade, guys. Yeah, chicken fully fried down. Season gone in already. So now we got. Yeah. What's up, guys? Yeah, I tell us, guys, a piece of rain a fall like crazy. Look at that. Pure water, guys. Yeah. As you can hear on the top wall, listen. Yeah, man, crazy rain, but we out here still a cook some food, you know? Yeah, man, check it. Look what go on. Yeah. So we got some coconut milk in a pot of bubble. Yeah, man, look at that with the one scotchy. Seasoned rice in coconut milk. Right, so I want to get the rice washed up. Yeah, man, I get it fully washed up now. Yeah, see coconut milk over there, so. Yeah, man, this have a strain out on the brown stew chicken. Yeah, so I cook some brown stew chicken with green peas. Yeah, man. Another one coconut. Chicken fully seasoned up already. So check in, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, like up the video. Yeah, guys, so I'm just here. I get some rice wash out and very clean. Yeah, man, I tell you, it's a crazy rain, guys. Crazy rain. Yeah. The good thing I did about this crazy waterfall. Yeah, the rice is fully clean now, so I get the rice in the boiling water now. But first, I'm going to chew off this. Yeah, so I get it up in the pot now. Guys, now that the rice is in the pot, time to give it a little stir. It's gonna be so yummy delicious. Yeah, okay, now that the rice is fully boiling, now we'll get the frying pot on the fire. Time to get some oil in it. Let's add some oil in it. Alright, now that my oil is hot, time to get in my brown stew chicken. So out here, guys, it's lots of rain falling. It's falling fully wet, but we're still out here active to cook some food in our outdoor kitchens. So I'll get the chicken in the pot now. So now coconut milk ready for that on the chicken. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, chicken fully fried down. Season gone in already. So now we got some coconut milk. The rice almost cook over to check over. Yeah, so catch me add some coconut milk tonight now. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, man, time for the green peas now. So I give that about 5 more minutes now. Lock off the stove and start to eat. Yeah, man, fully ready. So catch me eat some rice. Look at that. Catch me eat some food. Yeah, it's that time now. Look at that. Yeah, man, guys, check it out. Yeah, this is a masterpiece, guys. Check it out. It was raining crazy. Check out the live. I see me in the rain preparing this food. Yeah, man, it was raining very hard out here. Yeah, you can see the trees them wet. Come on, but we're out here. The food finished now, guys. One glass of lemonade, some ice on it. Yes, I catch me eat some of my food. Let me tell you how it tastes. Alright, look at that. People, words can't explain how this tastes. Guys, we got some pear right here, so Yeah man, some Jamaican pear. Yeah, green peas, we have it in green peas here. Yeah, look, the ketchup on the side. Really hot. The people is so yummy delicious. Yeah. One glass of lemonade, guys. People, the food is so hot. So, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'm going to finish eat this food right now.